In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Microsoft Outlook Calendar. Whether you're staying on top of meetings or blocking focus time, I'll show you how to navigate the calendar and create appointments so everything lands exactly where you need it. Start by opening the calendar. On the left-hand navigation pane, click the calendar icon. If the pane is compact, look for the small calendar symbol along the edge and select it. Once you're in, choose the view that fits your day. At the top, you can switch between day, work week, or month. Day is ideal for detailed scheduling. Work week focuses on business days, week shows the full 7-day spread, and month gives a broader planning picture. To move through time, use the arrows near the top to step forward or back. The mini calendar on the left lets you jump directly to a specific week or month, and whenever you want to snap back to the present, click Today. If you work with colleagues' schedules, you can view shared calendars alongside your own. Under Other Calendars, select the one you need. Outlook will display them side by side. For a clearer comparison, use Overlay to stack them in the same grid, which makes it easier to spot conflicts and openings at a glance. Now let's create appointments and events. The quickest way is to double-click an empty time slot. You can also use the New Appointment button on the ribbon if you prefer. For events that span the entire day, open the New Items menu and choose All Day Event, or create a regular appointment and check the All Day Event box. When an email should become time on your calendar, simply drag the message from your inbox onto the calendar icon. Outlook will generate an appointment using the email's subject and content, and you can adjust the timing as needed. In the appointment window, add a clear subject, a location if one applies, and any notes that capture the agenda or links you'll use. Set a reminder to get a nudge beforehand and attach files you want at your fingertips. Finally, mark your availability, such as busy or free, so anyone viewing your schedule understands your status at that time. That's it. With these navigation tools and event creation options, Microsoft Outlook Calendar becomes a reliable home for your day. Practice switching views, navigating with the mini calendar, and layering shared calendars, and you'll build a complete picture of your schedule in just a few clicks.